Hello, we're heading into a real estate event. We're over here at the exhibition hall of the Hawaii real estate event at the Blaisdell Center. And there's going to be some trainings and some booths and some vendors and some real estate information and other investors. And this is InvestKind 2024. Here's the sign for it. InvestKind 2024. Real estate conference and expo. Should be good fun. LadiesOfJusticeLeague.com. Here's where we are. The Blaisdell Center. Everything happens at Blaisdell. Big events, big trainings. This is where we first saw Robert Kiyosaki, actually, so many years ago. Got great water features over here too. So here we go. InvestKind, K-I-N-E, InvestKind 2024. InvestKind 2024 Real Estate Conference and Expo. Looking forward to the expo part. Look at this place. It's huge. LadiesOfJusticeLeague.com. See what tips we can put out there for you.